There was a graceful swan who lived on a quiet lake surrounded by green trees. The swan loved to glide across the water, singing softly to itself. It was happy to be alone but also liked to make friends with the animals in the forest. One day, while swimming near the shore, the swan saw a little fish caught in some tangled weeds. The fish was struggling and could not free itself. The swan felt sorry for the fish and gently used its beak to untangle the weeds. The fish was grateful and swam away, happy to be free. The next day, the swan was resting on the shore when it heard a bird chirping loudly. The bird's nest had fallen from a tree and the baby birds were trapped inside. The swan carefully used its wings to lift the nest back onto a strong branch. The mother bird was so thankful and chirped with joy. As the days went by, the swan helped many animals in the forest. It picked up fallen fruit for the hungry rabbits and guided lost ducklings back to their mother. Each time the swan helped the animals, thanked it with smiles and friendly words. One evening, the swan was flying home when it suddenly felt very tired. It could not find its way back to the lake. Just as it was about to give up, all the animals it had helped came to its side. The fish, the bird, the rabbits, and the ducklings all guided the swan back home. The swan was so thankful for the animals' help and realized that kindness always comes back to you. It learned that when you give to others, you receive the greatest gift of all, friendship and love. From then on, the swan always tried to help others whenever it could, and it lived a happy and peaceful life. Thank you.